Hi guys, welcome back to Fbmfox. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can use Fbmfox to go ahead and quickly list products to ebay.com and connect your eBay account to Fbmfox. And essentially what you want to do is go ahead and first of all have an eBay account. And I've went ahead and I've actually logged into my eBay account. My eBay account right now has just 0 active listings, but it's logged in. The next thing you want to do is go over to your Fbmfox account and then go into your eBay settings area after you click on account settings. Now, if you want to connect your eBay account to Fbmfox, all you have to do is hit sign in with eBay. Once that's done, it will say you have successfully connected to your eBay. If you are logged in, this is it. This is all you have to do. If you're not logged in, what it'll do is it'll open a new tab for you and prompt you to log in and allow our app to basically access permissions so we can go ahead and list products and reprice products on your behalf. The next thing you want to do is add a PayPal email. So in general, eBay accounts are linked to a PayPal email. Even if you're using managed payments, and you want to go ahead and type in that PayPal email and then you just want to hit update PayPal. Now, once that's done, you'll see both of those things are saved. And now you can go back into your product section and play around with the eBay products listing. So listing products is a very simple thing to do. Really, essentially, all we have to do is go ahead and click that sales channel and check eBay for it, right? That's all we have to do for any product that we have. But for demonstration purposes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to list a product that we haven't listed yet, right? And I just went over to walmart.com. We have over 25 suppliers from which you can list. And I'm just going to go over to my Fbmfox account, click on the plus icon, paste the supplier link in there, and I'm going to hit pull supplier info. And what it's going to do is it's going to pull the supplier information for me. And what it did is it just went ahead and it pulled all of the information for me. And we can set up the markup, the margin, and all those things. But we can keep going next and next. And the main thing is the sales channel area. So in the sales channel area, you want to click on ebay.com via API. And in the product category, you can set the category to anything. So this seems like it's an MP3 portable audio player. So I'm going to type MP3. So this is a MP3 players, right? Consumer electronics. Now you're going to see this massive, basically item-specific section, which allows your product to sell better the more things that you add into it. So the brand is Pocket Tunes, so I'm just going to add that. The model number is also something that you can grab. And it seems that everything else is recommended, but I'm just going to go ahead and add things like color and features. You can make it Bluetooth, let's say. All right, so now I'm going to scroll all the way down and we have certain things like the package weight. And right now it shows that it is 0.08 lbs. We can also get our dimensions. So length, width, and height is right here. And then we want to go ahead and enter in we can go ahead and enter in our location. And this is not something that you have to do every single time once you create a template, but we'll go over that in a bit. So that's all you have to do to list the product to eBay using our web app. And you just have to hit save changes. And then you'll see that it says product created successfully. Now you might be asking, where is the product? Well, if you click on this area right here, ebay.com via API, if you click that right there, you'll see that here is my product. Also in my manage active listings, right now it shows 0, but if I refresh, it's going to show the product right here. And what's great is, remember we added the Bluetooth and the model number and the color and the brand. Well, all of those things are now here, right? So that is fantastic. Now, if you want to adjust the quantity of this thing, we can make it, let's say 11 available. And let's say we don't like the price and we want to make it $54.99. So it's a nice round number. We can just hit save changes. And once we hit save changes, these changes will reflect automatically on ebay.com. And the way you can see that is go back to your listing, hit refresh, and you will see now that we have 11 of these available at $54.99, and everything is great. The last thing I want to go over is shipping and return policies. So in your eBay section of any single product, you may see that there is something right here, which is a shipping policy, return policy, and payment policy. These policies are defined in your eBay account settings themselves. We can put out another video about that, but essentially what it does is it allows you to automatically select shipping, return, and payments. And once you set those up in your business policies in eBay, it makes it really, really easy to list products so you don't have to set those things over and over. And that's where the free shipping stuff comes in, the delivery times come in, the returns information comes in. All right, well, I hope you guys had a great time watching this video. I hope you're excited about the new eBay integration. We have more videos coming up on how to use templates, how the repricer is going to work, and how you can bulk upload thousands of products to eBay at once. If you haven't tried Fbmfox already, please go ahead and do so. Link in the description below. It's only $29 a month with a 7-day free trial, and you can cancel anytime. So go ahead and do that, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great one. Bye.